Okay, guys, we are back at it. We are about to talk about the top pre-market gainers so far. These stocks are already starting to make some bullish divergence here into the pre-market and looking for quick spikes to be coming in, like things like SGBX that's already coming in for the explosion just this morning off of some good news. They've gone from 52 cents up to $1.33. I make these early morning videos for those of you who may be pre-market day traders. You know me. I really like to just hold a safe swing. Not much of the hot pre-market day trader, but if you like to go for those hot pre-market breakouts and whatnot, and you watching your charts, I do recommend that you utilize your VWAP indicator using your 1 minute chart trading time frame. All you be looking for there in that sense is just a breakout to be coming into that stock, and if your chart to retest that VWAP, it's getting a little bit dangerous there. Maybe you want to lock in gains, or if you're feeling comfortable or confident and it's not going back to oversold, and actually having another bounce off the MACD from there. How you can see SGBX is repeatedly bouncing off of your VWAP indicator. People feel confident holding in on this. I mean, at least until it breaks under that, which even right now is retesting and then bouncing back from there as well. So making this an easier pre-market move. This is a lot of people who are looking to hold this into the market opening, looking for the next leg up. If they weren't, then they already would have sold this off. They do have an average volume of 3.51 million, and check this out. They got a volume of 5.04 million right now. A free float of 3.88 million on the SGBX, with good news coming out about how Safe and Green Holdings Corporation announces a LOI for transformative acquisition of Elonix and Matchfood.com. So, a leading developer, designer, and fabricator of modular structures today announced the execution of a binding letter of intent to acquire 100% of the outstanding securities of New Asia Holdings. That's NAHD for short. That's an OTC. Be able to check out that ticker symbol here in just 1 second. And the acquisition includes diversified energy a diversified energy company, Elonix Corporation, a wholly owned subsidiary of NAHD. The acquisition also includes Matchfood.com, a wholly owned subsidiary of Elonix, specializing in secure connectivity and automation solutions for industries such as oil and gas, utilities, and manufacturing. Elonix operations include three vertically integrated business units: oil and gas production, energy services, and energy technologies. Elani specializes in acquiring and revitalizing underdeveloped energy assets, leveraging proprietary technologies and operational expertise to enhance production efficiency, lower costs, and minimize environmental impact. This is very good, and it's not for us to be looking into and stuff when we already here, so I might as well just finish this. So the key achievements of Elonix include expanding production from 113 barrels of oil equivalent per day to a projected 700 barrels of oil equivalent per day through increased operational capacity and innovative technologies by focusing on the stressed and neglected oil and gas fields in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Elonix has created a scalable model that addresses industry efficiencies while maintaining a strong commitment to sustainability. Following the acquisition of NAHD, Safe and Green will continue to maintain its current operations and fabrications of modular structures. In addition, the company plans to leverage its existing facilities, including its Waldron facility in Durant, Oklahoma, to support its new operations in oil and gas industry. It's a lot all about oil, gas, hydrogen, and energy. Now is the time for energy and renewable energies. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some more energy stocks and renewable energy stocks that you could look into. I'll make a video on those later on. Okay, let's go look more into SGBX. We'll check this out on your Moo investing platform as well. And of course, Coach Oda is up very early throwing out SGBX stock. Very early for the easy bull run on SGBX. Question is this going to be able to continue to go up? I mean, the question is, are the markets about to open up being bullish or bearish? Because if you don't know, they got inflation reports at like 8:30. They tell me it's 8:30. I could probably go see if that's exactly right. Inflation report time today. I mean, either way, 8:30 in the morning, whatever the case is, inflation reports coming in. You know how that go. They're gonna be looking to get a little bit hesitant, and this is oh no, oh no, oh okay. Today Wednesday. That day all off. Hey, well, I got 8:30 so far, so And if that comes out bad, the first thing it's gonna affect is Bitcoin. Just pointing that out to you now. And then you see Bitcoin take that drive down. It's like struggling at support right now. If it break that, it's going to be starting to stop around 95,000. And if it breaks that support, well, it's a big drop back down to like 89,000 on BTC, which is going to drag your stocks down with it. And since BTC is already, look, I'm showing you this now so you get a general understanding, man. Since BTC is already making big bearish divergence and has been all morning, with inflations and whatnot coming up, of course, people are hesitant and or slow on the markets this morning, which is why they're not buying everything all up in such a rally. But we'll still continue on to talk about the next two things like Vmar and CR. We'll talk about Vmar because ain't nothing else up here really moving like that. And now I'll probably talk about HOVR a little bit, I guess. And so here on VMAR, they're about to get 63% on Vmar, Vision Marine Technologies. This one here is a business of designing and manufacturing electric outboard powertrain systems and related technology. The company has developed a fully electric outboard powertrain system that combines a battery pack inverter motor with union assembly between the transmission and the electric motor design and control software. Starting to get very bullish on VMAR. And if you look on your VWAP, you'll be able to see that right now. It's starting to retest that VWAP again. Looking for a breakout above that VWAP they are, but it's retesting that and sending and taking a quick dip back down, a quick pullback, especially while the markets right now are slow. Some of these stocks just might be pulling back. I don't think this one has news. They had news a day ago. They reported a financial position amid uncertainty. They slumped. Vision Marine slumped 70%. Will raise 5 million in private placement. They had some news updates coming out about private placements
He's
and
going
stuff
through
like
all the
that.
news,
Just
all the
just not
technical
too long ago.
analysis, fucking, like doing.
Yeah. And next up, guys, like I said, we'll do a little bit more talking about HOVR as well. Okay. So I know a lot of you are watching HOVR, and we'll talk a little bit about quantum stocks. So the quantum stock I'm holding right now is QSI. QSI getting ready to come in for a hot bull run, as well as the rest of the quantum stocks. Now will be the time to be picking your favorite. Only thing that's going to be slowing these things down, and you see RGT is leading the race in them right now. The only thing that'll be slowing RGTI stock down, I mean, the rest of the quantum stocks and the EVTOLs are coming forward. So now is the overall market conditions coming red, bearish, and bad inflations. A lot of people are going to be holding off until after that. A lot of people probably already take puts just because of that's coming up. Options way heavy. So we're going to do a little bit about talking about options as well. If you want me to update any of your ticker symbols before the market open, make sure you jot that down in the comments below. Give this video a like. Share this stuff. Share this stuff out somewhere. Share it on Twitter. Share it on Stock Twits. Take that stuff to Reddit. I'll see y'all in the Baker Discord and happy trading.